Ever walked away from a conversation feeling completely drained? It's fascinating how some connections can energize us while others leave us feeling exhausted. I've learned that authenticity is key. When I'm unapologetically myself, I attract people who appreciate me for who I am, not who I think I should be. Instead of chasing a long list of acquaintances, I focus on nurturing a few deep relationships. Quality over quantity makes all the difference. Setting boundaries is crucial too. If a connection feels like an obligation, it's okay to reassess. I've found that shared activities often spark the best conversations. Engaging in something I love, like art, naturally draws people in, and listening with intention. It creates space for genuine dialogue. Vulnerability can be scary, but it's where real connection begins. It's about letting people in at a pace that feels right. So, what's one connection in your life that truly energizes you? Think about it and cherish those moments. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you found this video inspirational.